Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll explore a variety of vintage decor ideas that will breathe new life into your space, creating an atmosphere filled with warmth, nostalgia, and personality. I'm thrilled to dive into a topic that's close to my heart, vintage decor. For me, it's all about finding beauty in the old and imperfect, in the frayed edges and tattered covers. Vintage decor isn't just about aesthetics. It's about infusing your home with charm and character, creating a space that tells a story. And I'm excited to share some simple yet impactful ideas with you today on how to incorporate vintage goodies into any space. Vintage decor holds a special allure, appealing to those who appreciate the beauty of bygone eras. It's about more than just aesthetics. It's about infusing your home with stories and memories. One of the key elements of vintage decor is antique furniture. Whether it's a weathered wooden dresser or a delicately carved armchair, these pieces add character and history to any room. Pair them with soft floral fabrics and lace accents for a touch of romanticism that harks back to a simpler time. Another aspect of vintage decor is the art of repurposing and upcycling. Embrace your creative side by breathing new life into old items. Turn vintage suitcases into quirky storage solutions, transform vintage doors into unique tabletops, or repurpose old window frames as charming wall decor. Not only does this approach add a personal touch to your space, but it also promotes sustainability by giving new purpose to old items. When it comes to color palettes, vintage decor often embraces soft, muted tones reminiscent of days gone by. Think creamy whites, soft pastels, and faded hues that evoke a sense of tranquility and nostalgia. Pair these gentle shades with natural materials like aged wood, wrought iron, and distressed metals to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels like a warm embrace. Don't be afraid to mix old and new elements in your decor. Pair vintage furniture with modern pieces to create a dynamic and eclectic look. Whether it's a vintage armchair next to a sleek, contemporary sofa or a retro lamp lighting up a minimalist workspace, blending different eras adds visual interest and depth to your home decor. And there you have it, some timeless vintage decor ideas to inspire your next home makeover. We hope you enjoyed today's video and found some inspiration to incorporate into your own space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!